Hey, it's Eric with PDRC, and here's an update on the 55. Now, I know that the casual observer might not notice it, but I did cut up these wheel wells. I cut the body down, I trued up the lines through here, and I did that because of the wheel flex. I wanted the wheels not to hit on anything. Now, my lines are pretty gross. I know some folks look at it and go, no, those are clean, but to me, I think they're disgusting, and I'm gonna clean it up later with the trimming machine. But I need to address these tires. The tires look amazing. I love the wheels that are on it. I like the look of it, but they don't crawl worth a damn. So I need to get in front of that, and I think that if I do my normal trick where I hack up the foam, that it's really going to help out. I did get my lights finished on it, so I could flip a switch, and I got the green underglow, as you can see through here. I've got everything hidden throughout the vehicle, so the lights are not really going to be that evident, right at first. I'm looking for underglow. I'm not looking to get nuts. And then with the flip of the switch, I can then turn on the headlights or go and have both. So, I do like that look that we've got going on there, and that's pretty cool. I also got rid of the rotary motor, so I got a Castle motor in here. As you can tell, the crawling motor has a better sound to it. So I'm going to not drive Jen up a wall. So this is where I'm at on the 55. I still have some work to do to it, but it's nearly ready for Axial Fest.